Hello friends and welcome to another video. As you can see, I'm sitting on my step because I'm about to head outside and I figure out why not make the intro on the stairs since there's good lighting in here and yeah. So in this video, I am just going to give you an update on some things that is happening around the homestead here. I'm going to give you some updates on the greenhouse slash shed that I'm building outside. I've start I have started building this shed for about a week now, and due to every day something come up, whether it be rain, hail, snow, all kind of stuff. So I can't it just seemed like it's a never ending story. I thought that this sheddy greenhouse thing was gonna take like a couple of days, but it's just turning to be like this week is gonna be 2 weeks if I don't get this thing done. But anyways, yesterday the morning was bright and sunny and I said, okay, I'm gonna go outside and do some work out there. And I did do some work for a couple of hours, but we had some other project inside that we had to finish, so of course I had to do that. And by the time I get outside, I did some work. And then the chicken coop door was broken and my husband had to fix it. Guys, there's always something to be done around the homestead. It's a never-ending journey of work. And so I got to put up 2 shelves. One is incomplete. Well, they're both incomplete. They're not done yet. And by the time I came inside to eat some lunch, it started pouring rain and everything that was supposed to be in the shed got wet. So I'm gonna go outside and check the things and see how they're doing because they all got wet, all my tools and everything, because I put them outside and I figured out that I was gonna finish building the shelf and I didn't even think it was gonna rain anyways. And then I had to finish early because I had to go get feed for the chickens. And I also had to pick up some fencing, which we have an exciting project that we're going to be doing with the fencing. And I definitely going to film it for you guys so you guys can see what we are doing. So this is what I'm going to show you guys. So let me turn this camera around, take you outside with me. I have some afternoon snacks for my chickens. I'm going to give that to them. And I will show you what I got accomplished. And then we are going to plant some cold weather crops. I think I'm going to plant some radish, some beans. And what else am I going to plant? I think I am going to plant, what else should I plant? Radish, snap peas, beans, and anyway, something else when I get out there. I don't remember what it was, but I left the seed out there. So let's go outside and plant some stuff and give you a tour of what is happening out there. Let's go. So it's a nice rainy day today. And as you can see, it's just rainy and cold out here again today. So the chickens are in. They don't like to be outside when it's raining, so I left them in. So now it stopped raining. I am going to take them out, and as you can see, they want to come out now. So I am just going to I'm going to throw these snacks that I have for them here. Yep. Have the nice afternoon snack. So the nice afternoon snack is here. Now I'm going to let them out until around 7 o'clock. Then I'm going to come back and put them in. And they're anxious to get outside. But guys, my chickens are they're not hungry, okay? They have lots of food in there to eat. I always make sure that I give them lots of food when I'm leaving them inside. They hate rain. They hate rain with a passion. They don't like it when it's raining. So I know my birds. So when it's raining, they can stay in there nice and dry. I'm giving them what they want. Ugh. have a hen that's I have a hen that's broody. I gave her 11 eggs. Every morning I come, like 4 or 5 eggs are outside. I don't know. So the gate was broken and my husband fixed it yesterday. Okay, girls. Okay, girls. Oh, my. Okay, Mr. Rooster. Bye-bye. Have a good time. Feast. I've been using this big bucket to give them water. And I also have the water container over there. But they've been drinking lots of water. But let me show you guys what I did yesterday in here. As you can see, I have all the wood out here. And yeah. And I have all these things outside in the yard because I cleaned the shed. I cleaned my shed and I took a lot of things out. I have these things on the side because I'm going to put my seeds there. I have some of my pots here. I'm waiting to plant some more seeds aside once the weather gets warmer. So let's go in and see what I did yesterday. Guys, it's a mess in here. So I had all these things outside from the shed out there. And it started raining, so I had to take them in here. And as I was saying to you guys in the beginning of the video, I left all these things outside yesterday. And the boxes are wet and he has a little bit of water in it. So I gotta come out here and clean all these things out, take them out of there. Because you have water in the container. Yeah, that's not good. Stuff in there is wet. So I gotta come and clean that out. But this is what I did so far. I put this up. And it's not complete. It's not attached. This wood is wood that I had from last year. And because they were in the barn and some of them were even outside, leaning up on the old van. I was having such difficulty getting them to attach here to go in the groove. I had to hammer them in, and even some of them is not right in the groove, so I still have to work on that. But so far so good. I have this. I'm going to be putting shelves up there, and I'll be putting shelves in the bottom. I have my shelf here. I'm going to attach it. I still have to nail this thing down, and then I have the shelf. This shelf is going to be for over here. I'm going to put a shelf right there. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, so this is the shed. This is what I've been doing for the past week. And I hope that I can finish this shed and bring all my plants inside here. Put the door up and just finish inside here. I already put the carpet down on the floor. So I bought this rug. It's an outside rug. But I just put it in here because I know it's going to be easy to clean. And I can just sweep it out. So that's going to be lovely. And I'm just going to put shelf galore. Put the door in. And then once it's finished, guys, I am going to reveal what it looks like to you all. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to finish this. Nail that in. I'm going to nail all the boards in. And then once I'm done, that's going to be it for the day. I'm not going to do anything else because my kids are not feeling well today. Both of them is sick. I think they got some flu or something. I don't know what's going on. So I'm not going to be out there for long because I need to keep an eye on them. And my daughter was throwing up earlier. So, of course, I was inside at sick day. Clean up, vomit, all kind of stuff. So I don't want any more disaster tonight. So I'm just going to do a little bit of work out here. Then I'm going to head back inside. So let's get working. I did it. The entire thing is finished. So that's good. I am actually going to, I don't know, do a bit of organizing in here. So I am going to do a little bit of organizing in here. Pack up my stuff that is in the bottom there. Pick up the boards because I'm going to put another set of thing in here. Just do some organizing in here. That's what I'm going to do. Let's do that. Okay. So I think that's good for now. I have a lot of containers and bins and I'm going to separate everything and put them nicely in there. I'm going to also put like a little curtain across here once I finish do all that stuff. But at least I can work in here and things are not messy. And then when I finish, I will clear everything up and put everything in its own space. But for now, everything was all over the place because I had to put the things in here quickly because it was raining. And yeah. So that's going to be it for today. I'm glad I got this thing done. And now I actually have a place where I can come put my seedlings and I can cover them so they can just grow in peace and nothing to knock them over or they're not in the way. So I'm glad about that. I finished this part. And so now let's go outside and plant some seeds. I left my seed outside and the packet is completely wet. So that means I have to plant the entire packet. Silly me. Let's go. Okay, you all. So it has started to rain, and so I will be heading inside now because I don't want rain to wet my camera. So this is a video for today. Stay tuned to see what is next on the shed. Hopefully next video I'll be finished and everything will be in the shed, and I'll be giving you guys a tour of what the shed look like inside. So I hope the weather cooperates and I'm able to complete the shed, put all my junk, yeah, my junk in there and my plants and stuff. So I better get inside. It's pouring, it's coming down. So, guys, thanks for watching as always. Remember, you're beautiful. Hello to my new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. And think beautiful thoughts in your brain. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.